A trade policy the president is considering could have wide-ranging effects, including on your ice cream sundae. You know that reddi-wip can you squirt on your sundae or pie? You may not know it, but the can is made from Japanese steel. President Trump is considering putting a bigger tax called a tariff on steel from outside the country. The idea is to make imports more expensive and boost business for American steelmakers. The material for the reddi-wip can started at a factory in Japan, where it was rolled into sheets and loaded onto a ship nearly 2 football fields long. The ship traveled through the Panama Canal, then docked in New Orleans. A barge took it up the Mississippi River. Then a truck carried it to a factory in Illinois, which made the aerosol can. The can was then shipped to a Conagra plant in Indianapolis, where it got its delicious whipped cream. And from there, it went to your supermarket. President Trump's plan would create jobs for U.S. steelworkers. But the process of importing steel creates jobs too, from the dock workers in New Orleans to the barge and truck drivers to the factory workers in Indiana and Illinois. When imports become more expensive, companies can pass that cost along in different ways. The price of reddi-wip could go up a little. Or the companies along the supply chain could choose to pay their workers less or eat into their own profits.